to the next video. In this video I will show you how to use tools in Google Agent Development Kit. So let's get started. So there are different type of tools. In this tutorial I will show you two tools. One is Google search and second is how to create your own custom tools. So yeah, let's get started. So first what I'll do is I'll just create one folder. You can name it whatever you feel like. I'll just name it as for you it's up to you what you want to do. So I'll just open this inside VS Code. Okay, I'll just close this. Then I will just open a new, so I'll just go to our terminal. Okay, and here let me just cd to that particular folder fourth. Okay, then I'll just clear everything out. So I have cd'd into the folder. Then firstly we need to as usual create an environment like this Python virtual environment. So I can just do python 3-m venv, click on enter. Okay, and in the meantime I'll just create this __init__py file as well as agent.py file. So I can just create this agent.py as well. Okay, let's come back. Okay, so it has still not created. In the meantime I can also create this .env file as well. Inside this .env file we require two environment variables. So I'll just type it out: google _ gen ai _ use _ vertex ai equal to false. Okay, and the next one is Google API key. So Google _ API _ key equal to, and here I'll just come back over here. I'll just click on this, go to this URL, and here you need to click on this create API key button, and here you need to select Gemini API, create API key in existing project, and we'll just copy this and we'll paste it over here. Command S to save. Then under the init.py we just need to write from .import agent. Command S to save it. Then okay, so ignore that other thing that was just IntelliSense from my AI tool. So you just have to write from .import agent. Then let's come back to our terminal. So here this stuff is done. Then we just need to activate it as well. So you can just do source env/bin/activate and just click on enter. So here you can see you are inside the virtual environment. Now there is a trick which you need to do, otherwise things will not work for you. So you need to create a folder called tool agent inside your fourth or whatever is your directory name. So here I'll just create a folder called tool agent. Then I'll just move this init.py, this .env as well as agent.py inside this tool agent. Keep the env outside only. So inside tool agent you have to do this, otherwise things will not work for you. This is, and you have to name it as tool agent only. I mean the name depends on what you write inside your code. So first let me quickly write some code. So here wait, let me just copy paste it just to save time, and then I'll explain it to you. Before I show you the code, we need to install few dependencies as well. So what I can do is I'll just cd to our tool agent, and here we need to do pip install first. Pip install google-adk, and also we need to do python.env, right? python-env. So these two dependencies need to be installed. So hopefully it should install this. In the meantime let's go through the code. So here you can see I have created this agent.py file. Here we are importing agent as well as Google search. Now Google search is one of the tools. Here I am also importing datetime. Ignore this for now, we'll come back to this later on. So let's come over here. Here you need to name the variable as root_agent. So here is our agent. Now this name should match what you have given folder name over here. So this is very important, otherwise again things will not work for you. So here make sure you give the name as tool_agent. Then the model is Gemini 2.5 Flash. So at the time of me recording, that is the free tier model. So in case if it changes in the future, you will have to change the model name over here as well. Then description, I have just given it as tool name. Instruction, I have just given it as you are a helpful assistant that can use the following tools, and here we are just telling it what tool it needs to use. So this name should match what you have given it inside your tools. So Google search here over here, so make sure you use Google search over here as well. Okay, I think that should be it. Okay, so this is still installing the dependencies, and if you want you can also create the requirements.txt using the pip freeze command. So let me quickly check for that command because I don't remember it, sorry about that. Yeah, so the command is pip freeze, then this greater than sign, requirements dot txt, and I'll just click on enter. So it has created this requirements.txt file. So yeah, that's all there is to it. Okay, so I think we can run our application now. We'll come back to this get current time later on. So I can just cd, and here we can just run adk web. So it will open the Angular UI for us, like the GUI for us. Now just to come back to this get current time, so this is a custom tool which I have defined. Now this is very simple tool. So while defining the tool, there are few things which you need to be careful about. Firstly, you will have to write this particular block of how would I say, an instruction to the AI assistant or agent that this particular function gets the current time in this particular format, so that it knows what exactly does this do. And also while returning, do not return it like this. So suppose you might change the return type to string or date, and you will just return it like this. This is a bad practice. Do not do that, you will confuse your AI. Make sure you do something like this, current time is this whatever. Okay, we'll come back to this later on how to use it, but in the meantime let's see, let's use how to do Google search. So I can just open it inside a new tab. So here you can see you will have to select your agent. Here I'll just select tool agent, and here I'll just ask it what's the latest news related to the India versus England test match. So I'm not sure if it will give me the accurate information, like the latest up-to-date information, because I'm using the free tier Gemini model. So currently the India versus England third test is going on, and it has finished day 3, but I'm not sure is the third test match part of the. So okay, so it did give, as of day 3 India was so it did give me the correct information. But it's not guaranteed, like I have asked it about some other information as well, and it failed for me. So be careful for this, but again it has to do with the free tier Gemini model which I'm using. Okay, so hopefully you got the point. Now how to make sure you use your current tool. So it's pretty simple. You just have to replace this with this. Now make sure you do not pass multiple tools. Even if this is an array, I'm not sure if multiple tools are selected. At least from my research, it didn't supported it. And here you have to write get current time as well. Okay, so did it? I'm not sure if it reloaded itself or not. So just to be on the safer side, I will rerun it again. So yeah, let's just wait for this. Okay, so here it is. I'll just rerun this. Okay, and here I'll just tell it give me current time, and hopefully it should give you. Of course you can ask something else, some other question as well, it will work, but here you can see it is calling the get current time tool as well. So yeah, that's all there is to it. Thank you for watching. Bye.